Ever felt like your bank account is bleeding money and you're not even sure where it's all going? Like there's a phantom subscription thief lurking in the shadows, draining your funds one small charge at a time? You're not alone. We've all been there. Maybe it's that forgotten streaming service you signed up for during a free trial, or that gym membership you swore you'd use but haven't touched in months. Or perhaps it's something more complex, a recurring charge you can't even identify. Now, imagine there's a tool out there, a financial superhero, if you will, that promises to swoop in and save the day. A tool that claims to track your spending, cancel unwanted subscriptions, and even negotiate lower bills on your behalf. That tool, of course, is Rocket Money. But what happens when you need to actually talk to them? When you have a question, a concern, or maybe even a billing issue that needs resolving? How do you actually get in touch with Rocket Money? That's the question we're tackling today. Because let's be real, navigating customer support can sometimes feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. We've all had those frustrating experiences, endless phone menus, unanswered emails, and the dreaded chatbot loop. So, how do you cut through the noise and get the help you need from Rocket Money? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of contact methods, let's briefly recap what Rocket Money, formerly Truebill, is all about. It's designed to be your personal finance advocate, helping you gain control over your spending habits. Think of it as a financial detective, uncovering those hidden expenses and empowering you to make smarter money decisions. But even the best tools can have their quirks. Maybe you're struggling to link an account, or perhaps you're unsure about a specific feature. Whatever the reason, you need to reach out. So, let's explore the various avenues available to you. First, the most common and often quickest method, the in-app support. Rocket Money is a mobile-first platform, and as such, they've prioritized in-app support. This makes sense, right? You're already using the app, so it's convenient to get help directly where you are. To access in-app support, you'll typically find a help or support section within the app settings or menu. Look for icons that resemble a question mark, a chat bubble, or a headset. Once you tap on it, you'll likely be presented with a range of options, including FAQs, help articles, and a contact form. The in-app support is often the best place to start because it allows you to provide context directly related to your account. You can easily include screenshots, account details, and other relevant information that can help the support team understand your issue. Next, let's talk about email support. While in-app support is generally preferred, email can still be a viable option, especially for more complex or detailed inquiries. You might need to send attachments or provide extensive documentation. To find the correct email address, you will want to check the Rocket Money website or the app's help section. Be careful to use the official email address, as there could be fraudulent emails or phishing attempts. When composing your email, be clear and concise. Provide your account details, describe your issue in detail, and include any relevant screenshots or documentation. The more information you provide, the faster the support team can assist you. Remember, email support might not be as immediate as in-app chat, so be prepared for a potential wait time. Now, what about phone support? This is where things can get a little tricky. Rocket Money primarily focuses on digital support channels. While they might not have a dedicated phone line for general inquiries, they might offer phone support for specific situations or premium members. To find out if phone support is available, check the Rocket Money website or the app's help section. If a phone number is provided, note the operating hours and any specific instructions. If phone support isn't readily available, don't despair. The in-app chat and email support are often just as effective, if not more so, due to the ability to provide detailed information and screenshots. Let's address the often overlooked resource, the Help Center and FAQs. Before reaching out to support, take a moment to explore the Rocket Money Help Center and FAQs. These resources are packed with valuable information and can often answer your questions quickly and easily. The Help Center is typically organized by topic, making it easy to find relevant articles. You can search for specific keywords or browse through the categories. FAQs can answer common questions about account management, billing, subscriptions, and other features. By utilizing these resources, you can save yourself time and potentially resolve your issue without needing to contact support directly. What about social media? While not a primary support channel, Rocket Money might have a presence on social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. You can try reaching out to them through direct messages or commenting on their posts. However, keep in mind that social media support might not be as formal or comprehensive as other channels. It's best used for general inquiries or quick questions. Tips for effective communication with Rocket Money support. Be clear and concise, state your issue clearly, and provide all relevant information. Be polite and respectful, even if you're frustrated, maintain a professional tone. Provide screenshots and documentation. Visual aids can help the support team understand your issue. Keep a record of your communication, save emails, chat logs, and any other correspondence. Be patient. Support teams often handle a high volume of inquiries, so be prepared for potential wait time. Check for updates. Rocket Money updates their app and services regularly, so be sure you're using the most current version. Use your account information. Always make sure you're referencing the email or login associated with your Rocket Money account. Understanding the importance of context. When you contact any customer support, context is key. Instead of simply stating my account isn't working, provide specific details. For example, I'm unable to link my bank name account. I've tried multiple times, and I'm receiving the error message. I'm being charged for a subscription to service name that I thought I had canceled. My transaction ID is transaction ID. I'm trying to use the bill negotiation feature for my service provider, Bill, but I'm not seeing the option. Can you provide guidance? By providing specific details, you'll help the support team understand your issue and provide a more effective solution. Final thoughts on Rocket Money support. Rocket Money, like any other digital service, is constantly evolving. Their support channels and methods may change over time. The best way to stay up to date is to check their official website and app for the latest information. Remember, the goal of Rocket Money is to help you manage your finances more effectively. If you're encountering any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team. They're there to help you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.